Hello everyone and welcome to this video on investment banking. Now, what is investment banking? It is a specific branch of banking that helps businesses raise funds and provides them with financial advice and support. It provides a substantial financial advising, capital raising, government and financial institution services, financial and risk management services, and help to enterprises. An investment bank is a type of financial services firm that serves as a middleman in large and sophisticated financial transactions. When a new firm is ready to launch its initial public offering, or also known as IPO, or when a company combines with a rival, an investment bank is approached. For large institutional clients like pension funds, it also serves as a broker or financial advisor. Now let us move on to what does investment banks do. Let's begin with a simple example of a company named ABC. Suppose ABC wants to merge with another company. How will it know that the other company will be beneficial for it? Or how is it going to raise the desired funds? And who is going to handle the complete documentation and help in figuring out new investment plans? Well, the short answer to all these questions is an investment bank. Investment banks play a vital role in making a company go big by acting as a risk taker or say middleman. Typically, investment banking focuses on two main areas. The first one is the M&A advisory, and next we have underwriting. So M&A advisory stands for Mergers and Acquisitions Advisory. It is the process of assisting corporations and institutions in locating, evaluating, and completing company acquisitions. Underwriting is a procedure used by banks to get funds from investors for a client, mostly in the form of equity or debt securities. Now let us move on to the next topic, which is how do investment banks work? Investment banks are divided into two types, the sell side and the buy side. Now the sell side shares of newly issued IPOs, provides market making services, places new bond issues, and assist customers with transactions. Coming to the buy side on the other hand trades securities such as shares and bonds in order to maximize profits. It collaborates with hedge funds, mutual funds, and pension funds. Now let us take a look at the careers available in investment banking. Investment banking jobs are among the most desirable jobs in the financial industry. As an investment banker, you will be expected to assist the clients in raising funds and expanding their businesses. Though it is not that easy to get into the domain, once you make it through the journey, the results are really rewarding. The average salary ranges around $100,000. With years of experience, you can even earn up to $500,000 per annum. The main role that investment banking demands is to provide assistance to firms, governments, and wealthy individuals in expanding their businesses by acting as a medium that will handle the complete procedure of analyzing and evaluating the business and will also manage all the documentation work involved in the process. The world of investment banking is not for everyone to live in. This job profile comes with a very high competition and extremely tight working hours. But the financial perks offered are unparalleled. You will live a very fast-paced life and deal with exquisite clients while enjoying a lifestyle that others can only dream of.